this tutorial we are going to study the projection of regular hexagon, right, of 100 mm side has a side in HP and the surface or plane inclined 45 degrees to HP. So we have to draw the projection of regular hexagon. So repeat the same steps. Okay, draw one XY reference line. Okay, give the names, the text, point 2, sorry, you have to select here on the screen, and then height spacing is 0.2 and rotation angle is 0. Right, so this is my X and Y reference plane. This is my VP I'm going to draw front view. This is my HP I'm going to draw top view, right? Then press escape. So I need to draw a regular hexagon, and this is the problem of side in HP and surface inclined 45 degrees to HP. Means my true shape will be in the HP, right? And the left hand side of the regular hexagon will be a line. Okay, so I'm drawing a regular hexagon. So select on the polygon. Okay, he will ask us for the number of sides. So select 6 for as a hexagon has 6 sides. Then press enter. Then tab below button, right, and then press enter. Okay, and zoom in, right? So we have 100 mm, right? Yes. So from this particular point I'm going to draw 1, 2, 3, 4. That is 4 spacing, that is 4 AutoCAD unit, right? And this is basically, you know, the regular hexagon of 100 mm side. So check it and giving the dimensions. Okay, so click on O snap here. Okay, so this particular point, so this is my 100 mm regular hexagon. Okay, just give the naming, the text, click on the screen, then specific height is 0.2, rotation angle is 0. Okay, so this is A, this point is B, this is basically C, this is basically D, right, and this is E, and this particular point is, yeah, right. So just select, yeah, right. So this is my basically true shape. Okay, then press escape. Now convert this particular dimension into cyan color. Okay, so now my true length, so this is my true shape, so my true length will be on XY line because a side in HP is given. So I'm going to draw a projector. So I am clicking on ortho, and from this particular point I'm drawing one projector here, right? Press escape, and from this particular point I'm going to draw another projector that will pass from C and F. From this particular DE I'm going to draw another projector. Okay, so 3 projectors I have drawn. Just convert that projector into cyan color. Just a minute. Just press escape. Okay, so convert this particular to cyan color projection line, right? And this particular point, my true length will be on the XY. So I'm selecting the points here. So just click on snap, right? And so this is my first point, this is my second point, this is my third point, right? So this is my basically true length. So write down the true length, the text. Here I'm going to write it. Okay, so 0.2 and rotation angle is 0. So this will be my A dash and B dash. This will be my C dash, F dash, and this will be my D dash, E dash. Okay, and this is my basically true length. Okay, just click pause. Okay, I'm going to give the dimensions of this true length. Okay, so this particular point, so this is 1.7321, and again go to dimensions, select on align this particular point and this particular point. Okay, this is how much, 0.8660, right? Then press escape. Okay, Z enter, A enter. Okay, now convert this particular dimensions into cyan. Press escape. Okay, Now inclination is given, that is surface inclination and plane inclinations should be given in the problem. So surface inclination is given 45 degrees to HP. 45 degrees to HP means in VP I can get the view. So I'm selecting one of the point here on the XY reference line, okay, and from this particular point, right, so I'm going to draw a line of dimension 1.7321, okay, so 1.7321, and the rotation angle is basically how much? 45 degrees. So this is my basically uh, the line, okay, and here I'm going to select a point, okay. So this is my point. So if you want to check the dimensions, you can check a line, okay, so from this particular point, from this particular point, this is 1.7321, convert it into cyan color, okay. Now I am converting this particular line into basically red color, okay, because I need to mark C dash F dash, okay. So I'm selecting one of the line here. What is the dimension of C from A dash B dash and C dash F dash? 0.8660. So 0.8660. AutoCAD unit, then press tab. Angle is 45. Just press enter. Okay. So this is my basically another point here, students. Okay, that will be mine. So snap is on. Okay. So this is my another point, right? So zoom in, right? And then I'm going to check the dimensions. Okay. Click here. Okay. From this point, what are my dimensions? 0.866, okay. So little bit you can basically uh, make a new screen, okay, so you will not get confused here, okay. Then convert this particular line into layers, okay. Now you got three different points on the screen, okay. Then draw vertical projections from this particular points, ortho here, okay. Then from this particular point draw vertical projector, okay. Press escape from this particular point, that is C dash F dash, draw vertical projector from this particular point, D dash E dash, draw vertical projectors, okay. Similarly from this two shape you need to draw the horizontal projections, okay. Press escape from this particular point A, you need to draw another projector, okay. So press escape, okay. So from this particular point A, okay. So you can zoom in, right? So from this particular point you can draw horizontal projector, press escape. Again from this particular point B, right? Draw one horizontal projections, and from particular point C, basically you just click on snap, okay, so that you can easily locate, right? So now I got this vertical and horizontal projections, okay. So I'm converting this into cyan color, okay. Right, so now I'm going to mark the points. So just before that, because I have not named it, right, so go to detect command, okay, click on the screen, then point 2 and rotation angle is 0, okay. So this is my basically A dash, B dash, this particular point is my C dash, F dash, and this particular point is D dash, E dash, okay. So now I'm going to text, okay. So if you know the command you can quickly repeat it, okay. Point 2 and rotation angle is 0. So here basically it is D dash and E dash, okay. Just click outside, okay. Now the intersection of this vertical and horizontal projections, you need to mark the point, okay. So from A dash B dash there is a vertical projections, from A dash there is horizontal projection, so this is my one point. From B here horizontally and from A dash B dash vertically, this is my another point. This is my F, right? This is my particular point C, this is my point D, and this is my point E, right? So vertical and horizontal intersections you have to consider as a point. Now with the help of line you can join this particular points, okay? So click on ortho, right? Now this is my point. Press escape. Now press escape. So this is basically your top view. So you can give the naming, text. You can click here. Okay, the rotation angle is point. Sorry, rotation angle is 0. So this is my basically A1. This is my F1. This is my D1. Sorry, this is my E1. This is my D1. This is my C1, and this is my B1. So and this is basically my top, right? So dear students, okay, this is basically after Z enter, enter to bring the screen on the center. So this is basically the solutions for the projection of regular hexagon having a side in HP. So I forgot one dimensions to give angular dimensions, okay. So I'm clicking here, okay. This is basically 45 degree, right? So click here, okay, convert into CR. So maybe in the previous problem I forgot to give the angles, but you don't forget it, right? So now this is basically the solution for the position of regular hexagon. Okay, their side in HP and surface incline 45 degrees to be HP. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe.